Good morning again. So today, our topic is about Module 6A, which is division of polynomials using long division and synthetic division. So meron tayong dalawang objectives for today. So number 1 is to divide polynomials using long division or division algorithm. And number 2 is to divide polynomials using synthetic division. So, punta muna tayo sa ating review. So, perform the following operations on polynomials. So, sa number 1, we have to add. This is adding polynomials. So, pag nag-add tayo ng polynomials, so dapat pareho sila ng literal coefficient. Pag sinabing literal coefficient, yung kanyang variable kasama ang kanyang exponent. And then, saka lang natin i-add ang kanyang numerical exponent. So, ito, since pareho lang yan, ito naman ay parehong may x at ito ay constant. So, pagsamahin lang natin ito. So, pag wala kang makitang number sa unahan, it means that is 1. So, 4 plus 1, so that is 5. So, that is 5. Then, copy the literal coefficient x squared. And then, 7 minus 2. So, that is plus. So, positive siya. Positive 5. And then, copy the literal coefficient x. Next is the constant term. So, 9 plus 5 or 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So, that is our answer. So, 5x squared plus 5x plus 14. How about number 2? So, sa number 2 naman is we have to subtract. So, pag nag-subtract naman tayo ng polynomial, so take note of this one. So, lahat ng signs ng ating subtrahend ay mag-change. So, ito ay magiging negative. Ito ay magiging positive. At ito ay magiging positive. So, mag-change lahat ng kanyang sign. And then, proceed to addition. So, plus na siya. Hindi na siya subtraction. And then, so, same na yung ginawa natin. So, dapat pareho sila ng literal coefficient. So, lahat ng x ay pagsamahin. So, 8x minus 7x. So, 8 minus 7 is 1. Then, copy x. So, that is x. And then we have negative 7 plus 4y. So that is negative 3y. Next is negative 11 plus 20. So that is positive 9. So our answer is x minus 3y plus 9. Okay? So now, how about this one? So, kung mapansin natin, wala tayong kapareho dito na y squared. Kasi this is addition. So, pag nag-add tayo or nag-subtract, so dapat pareho sila ng literal coefficient. So, dito, wala siyang kapareho na y squared. So, copy lang natin ang 6y squared. And then, this y is 7 plus 3. So, 7 plus 3 is 10. So, that is 10. Then copy the literal coefficient to y. So, ganun lang. So, dapat, wag nating madaliin. So, dapat paunti-unti. So, yung constant muna bago yung kanyang literal coefficient para hindi tayo malito. Pero kung sanay na, pwede naman kayong diretso-diretso na. And then, negative 5 plus 8 is positive 3. So, our answer is 6y squared plus 10y plus 3. How about number 4? So, number 4 is multiplication. So, pag nag-multiply tayo, multiply na muna natin number sa number and then saka natin siya sa kanyang variable. So, take note, pag nag-multiply tayo ng ating variable na may exponent, so, ina-add lang ang kanyang exponent. So, negative 4 times negative 5, so that is negative 20. And then, x squared times x cubed is x to the 5th Kasi add lang natin ang kanyang exponent, then y, and y squared is y cubed. Okay, next, negative 5 and negative 7, so that will become positive 35. And then x and x cubed, so that's x to the fourth. Then y squared and y squared, so that is y to the fourth. Now, negative 8 and negative 5, so that is positive 40. And then, wala tayo yung kaparehong x dito, so copy x cubed. Then y cubed times y squared is y to the fifth. So our answer is negative 20 x to the fifth, y cubed plus 35 x to the fourth, y to the fourth, plus 40 x cubed y to the fifth. Okay, how about number 5? So sa number 5 naman, so alam natin yan, so ginagamitan natin yan ng FOIL method. So we have the first, and then yung outer natin, then yung inner, and then ang ating last, kasi tinatawag na FOIL method. So unahin muna natin ang ating first term. So 3x times x is 3x squared. How about the outer? So 3x times 2x is 6xy. So plus 6xy. And then the inner term, so x times negative y is negative xy. And then the last term is negative 2y squared. Then saka natin i-combine kung meron ba siyang makita ng kapareho. So mapansin natin dito ay pareho silang may xy. So pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify into 3x squared plus, bakit plus? Kasi 6 minus 1. So that is plus 5 xy minus 2y squared. So, ganun lang. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa ating let's study. So, remember, how about pag division naman? So, division algorithm or the long division. So, if p of x and d of x be polynomials with d of x is not equal to 0, then there exists unique polynomial q of x and r of x such that p of x is the polynomial and we have the quotient times the divisor, which is d of x plus the remainder, is true for all real numbers x. Also, r of x is either the zero polynomial or else the degree of r of x is less than the degree of q of x. So, ito yung legend niya. So, p of x is the dividend of the polynomial. So, d of x is the division of polynomial. Q of x is the quotient. R is the remainder. Okay? Now, division by synthetic division. So, paano ba ginagawa ang synthetic division? So, number 1, i-arrange muna natin ang terms in both the division and the dividend in descending order. So, number 2, i-divide natin ang first term of the dividend by the first term of the division to get the first term of the quotient, multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient and subtract the product from the dividend. Number 4, using the remainder, repeat the process, thus finding the second term of the quotient. Number 5, continue the process until the remainder is 0 on the remainder is of a lower degree polynomial than the divisor. So, example nito. So, paano pa natin gagawin yan? So, paano pag gagamitan natin ng long division at saka synthetic division? So, divide natin ang x squared plus 6x plus 5 by x plus 1. So, by long division, so alam natin mag-divide. So, parang nag-divide lang tayo ng parang constant lang talaga siya. So, we have x squared plus 6x plus 5. And then, this is the division sign, and then divide by x plus 1. So now, i-divide lang muna natin ito sa kanyang first term lang. So, x squared divide by x. So, pag i-divide natin yan, sinusubtract lang ang kanyang exponent. So, x squared divided by x is x. And then, saan natin susulat yung x? So, doon natin itatapat doon sa kanyang x para malaman natin na malapit patapos na siya. So, doon natin siya itatapat sa x kasi ito yung kanyang x. So, doon natin ilalagay yung x. So, pag nakuha na natin ang kanyang quotient, multiply natin siya sa kanyang divisor. So, x times x plus 1 is x times x is x squared. And then, x times 1 is x. So, that is positive x. And after that, saka natin siya isusubtract. So, pag subtraction, mag-change lang siya ng sign. So, this is negative. This is negative. And change to addition. Proceed to addition rather. So, cancel this out. So, wala na ito. So, 6x minus x is 5x. Plus 5. Now, same pa rin ginawa natin sa start. So, 5x divided by x is 5. Kaya dito natin siya itapat kasi constant na lang. Kaya kung mapansin nyo, parang makikita natin kung patapos na tayo. At ang remainder, dito na natin ilalagay kung magkaroon man siya ng remainder. So, 5 times x is 5x. And then, 5 times 1 is 5. And then, subtract. So, change the sign. Change the sign. So, therefore, ang ating remainder is 0. So, ganun lang ang ating long division. So, paano naman ang synthetic division? Okay, by the way, so, ang tawag natin dito is the quotient. So, yan ang quotient natin. So, this is the quotient. And then, we have the dividend. So, this is our dividend. This is the divisor. And this is the remainder. Now, punta tayo sa ating synthetic division. So, paano ba tayo mag-ano ng synthetic division? So, ang synthetic division kasi ay parang shortcut siya ng long method. So, anong ginagawa natin? So, first is gagawa tayo ng kabaliktaran ng kanyang symbol. So, parang baliktad lang yan. So, gagawa tayo ng ganito, parang box. Yan. Okay. Now, next, kunin natin ang numerical coefficient ng dividend. So, dapat ang ating dividend ay naka-descending order. Ibig sabihin ng descending order, ang kanyang exponent ay pababa. So, 2, 1, and then 0 or constant. Kaya, okay na yan. So, ito ay 1. Ito ay 6. Ito ay 5. And then, yung kanyang divisor, equate natin sa 0. So, pag equate natin sa 0 yan, so x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, we have to get x. So, x natin, subtract natin by 1 both sides. So, maging x is equal to negative 1. Kaya, ang ating ilalagay dito ay negative 1. Okay? So, yun lang ang pagkuha ng ating synthetic division. So, na-proceed tayo. So, gawa natin ng line dito. Bring down kagad natin itong 1. And then, multiply. So, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Then, add. 6 plus negative 1 is positive 5. And then, multiply ulit doon. So 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 and then 0. So itong nasa last part na to is what we called our remainder. So ito yung ating remainder. Okay. So now, paano natin sulat ang ating quotient? So, tandaan natin na kung ito ang remainder, ang kasunod niyan, ito yung constant. At ito yung x. So, therefore, 1x or x na lang. So, x plus 5. So, that is our answer. So, this is our quotient. So, ganun lang pagkuha ng ating synthetic division. Okay, punta tayo sa ating number 2. 3x cubed plus 7x squared plus 5 divide by x plus 2. So, pag gamitan natin ng long division yan, so we have 3x squared, a cube rather, plus 7x squared. And then, kung mapansin natin, wala siyang x, wala siyang variable na x lang o literal coefficient na x. So, pwede tayong magsulat ng plus 0x and then the constant 5 para hindi tayo malito. Okay? Now, ano ang ating divisor? So, x plus 2. So, i-divide natin yan. So, divide lang natin yung first, yung una lang. So, 3x cubed divide by x is 3x squared. So, ilagay natin dito yung ating answer. Bakit dito natin ilagay? Kasi para pareho sila ng kanyang literal coefficient. Para alam natin na malapit natin matapos. Para hindi kayo malito. Then, saka natin multiply ulit. So, 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. 3x cubed, and then saka natin multiply ito sa constant. 3x squared plus 2 is plus 6x squared. Then subtract. So pag subtraction, change the sign. So maging negative na ito, maging negative na ito. So this is cancelled out. So 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. So that is x squared. And then plus 0x. So, wag mong diretso. So, isa-isa lang ang pag-bring down. Okay. So, x squared divided by x is x. So, plus x. Kaya kung napansin nyo, kaya nilagyan natin ng 0x para alam natin na yan ay sagot niya dyan sa taas ay x pa rin. So, x times x is x squared. And then, x times 2 is 2x. Then, subtract. Subtract lang natin yan. Change the sign. Change the sign. So, cancel this out. So, 0 minus 2 is negative 2x. And then, bring down positive 5. Okay. So, now, negative 2x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Pero, yung first lang. So, negative 2x divided by x is negative 2. So, negative 2. And then, saka natin ibabalik doon. So, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Then, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And then, subtract. Ito magiging plus na. Ito ay magiging plus na. So, now, cancel this out. So, 5 plus 4 is 9. So, meron tayong remainder na 9. So, ang tawag natin dito ay quotient. Ito naman ang ating remainder. Ito ang ating divisor. At ito naman ang ating remainder. So, pag isulat natin yan, kung ano ang ating quotient, so we have 3x cubed plus 7x squared plus 5. So, hindi natin isasama na yung 0x is equal to, ano ba yung kanyang quotient? So, ang quotient niya is this one. So, we have 3x squared plus x minus 2 times natin sa kanyang divisor. So, ang divisor natin is x plus 2. And then, saka natin ipa-plus ang kanyang remainder. So, plus 9. And then, ilalagay natin ang kanyang denominator na x plus 2 kasi yan ang ating divisor. So, x plus 2. So, yan ang ating answer. So, yan ang kanyang division algorithm na tinatawag. Okay? So, paano naman pag synthetic division? So, pag synthetic division, so, dapat naka-descending order na yan. So, 3, 2, 1. So, wala siyang 1 ang kanyang exponent or x. So, dapat maglagay tayo ng 0. So, again, maglagay tayo ng parang kabaliktaran na divide. So, we have 3. Next is 7. Yung mga numerical coefficient lang. And then, yung x niya ay wala. So, maglagay tayo ng 0. So, huwag kayong malito. So, dapat meron lang lahat yan. So, itong cube, squared, x. Wala namang x, kaya linagyan natin ng 0. And then, we have the constant. So, ang constant natin ay 5. Okay? And then, ito naman, so, equate natin sa 0 yan. So, therefore, ang x natin is equal to negative 2. So, therefore, ang ilagay natin dito ay negative 2. Then, saka tayo maglalagay ng line. Bring down 3. So, bring down na natin kagad yung 3. So, we have to multiply. So, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Then, add natin. So, 7 minus negative 6 is 1. And then, 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Then, 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Then, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And we have 9. So, take note, this is our remainder. Okay? So, paano natin isulat yung ating answer? Pag ibalik na natin. So, kung ito ang remainder, ito ang ating constant, ito ang may x, and then, ito ang ating x squared. So, sulat natin siya as 3x squared, then ito yung may x, so plus, huwag natin ilagay na yung 1, so x na lang, then the constant, minus 2, and then plus 9 all over ang kanyang divisor ay x plus 2. So, yan ang ating answer. So, kung mapansin nyo, pareho lang siya dito. Pero, hindi ko na sinulat yung kanyang divisor. Okay? So, ganun lang. Punta na tayo sa ating let's practice.